Religion is the highest need of human nature. Just our bodies require food for their sustenance, and mind require knowledge for their expansion. So do our soul require religion for their perfection. It is a spiritual hunger of man that has driven them in every age and country to seek for God and sometimes find God. God is our eternal quest. It is God himself or herself that trod for the quest. Manikya Vasaga says in Sivapuranam, we can worship God through God's grace. அவன் அருளாலே அவன் தாள் வணங்கி